So currently, I am at Melbourne Central. I just got the DJI Mic Mini, and I'm gonna do an unboxing. Try and open it without a cutter, which is gonna be hard. I recently got myself a DJI Nano, which I am using right now. It's a DJI Mic Mini 2. I already have the DJI mic, which comes with the creator combo, which I'm using right now. But it's kind of big and it's only one. And I'm thinking of pushing myself into like creating content because I've had cameras flying around and I've been wanting to do it. I've already posted videos on YouTube, but I've never gotten myself to actually do it because I'm an introvert and I'm shy. As someone who is an introvert, I want to start a vlog. So ironic. Okay, so I just opened the box. This is what's inside. It has a pouch. And let's just open the zipper, see what's inside. It has the magnetic covers. Oh, these are so nice. Look. To be honest, doing this right now outside is nerve-wracking because as an introvert, you don't want attention drawn to you, but hopefully it's not drawing attention and it's just in my mind that people are looking at me when they're not. So these are the cables and charger. I think this is for when you connect it to an actual camera, the transmitter. You connect it to a camera, so you need this, and this is a Type-C charging cable. So I'll put it in the box, in the bag. There's a zipper in the bag. I'll put the cables here. This is so nice. The pouch is so nice. It has compartments inside. Like, I think for like smaller things, smaller items. And then the biggest thing that's in the pouch is the Mic Mini 2 charger carry case. So here it is. Here you go. So we'll need to remove this. Press to unlock. Ooh, this is how it looks like. Has two mics. This one with the windscreen, the transmitter, and then there's a USB-C connector. I guess if you want to connect it to your phone or to your other devices. What else is in the bag? So here in the pocket, there's a DJI magnet. And then the other one is the black cover. The mic itself right now has the white cover. I believe it has the white cover. So yes, it has the white cover. Let's try and like get it off. There's a white cover. Okay, so it has a like little space there where you can easily remove it. Oh, this is so cute. Having like a small mic compared to my big mic. That's so nice. Oh, change it to the black. Oh, it's so nice. I'll try and connect this to my Osmo Nano. Let's see how it goes. So I'm trying to pair it and I realized I cannot record a video of me. Hey guys, so now I'm connected to my new mic. So this is the Mic Mini 2. I just changed the mic cover to the black one. Apparently the clip that is attached to the mic is actually magnetic as well, so you can change it, the position of the clip when you clip it to your clothes, so that the mic is facing you in any direction. So let's try that out. Oh, there you go. So it's magnetic. Easy. So I'll have to see how this sounds like, or if I actually have the mic on. I'm so happy. I'm gonna start a series where, as an introvert, I'm gonna start vlogging. So it's a vlogging as an introvert. Wow, what a very unique title. But I feel like this is the first step of me vlogging, because this is very nerve-wracking. I can't help myself from looking at people who are passing by, especially because I am vlogging in a walkway inside the mall, inside the shopping center. So, okay. Okay. I'm very happy. I'm very excited. So, I hope this goes well.